Hi, it's Danny back with video 6 on the wrists. You could take a band, perhaps a light band, and with a light band you might need to step on both threads, posture up and work on wrist flexion. Not trying to do a bicep curl or shoulder raise. You could of course do wrist extension from here. This is more demonstration purposes. You might be here for a minute, 90 seconds or so, so you do the other arm of course. Maybe slightly lighter for some deviation. We can work up, we can work back. This works a little better, this one, tied around a post, and then you can work out, or of course coming in. Yes, you can do flexion, extension, different angles, play with different heights. Our bands are very versatile. These looped bands, this is a pair of the lightest one. They come in sets of 5, well up to thick ones for doing legs, etc. Okay, thanks for watching today. Be sure to look out for the dumbbell video as well for some strength training. Thanks for watching.